Somos mecánicos ahora. Somos mecánicos ahora. Go ahead, nigga. Go ahead. Yo, give it. Adi, come here. Go, nigga. What? Go. Start trying again. Yeah, nigga. Go.
Soon it's gonna be 20, V20.
This is
maybe, I don't know.
This is a 1994 Civic with a 1999 engine swap.
Fucking mechanic.
Swapped it. Soon it's gonna be
We
turbo.
upgraded the valve cover. It's not faster, but it may look fast.
Yeah, we just changed this. That's it. To a name VTEC. This can make it go faster. For the name,
These are rare.
and that's how we drive.
We're taking the original.
That's how we drive with this shit out like
We're
this.
taking the original oil filter off.
We're cleaning the engine and we're gonna sell it for like.
Capito mecánico gato.
Ahí subiendo, tú sabes. Mira.
I
Yeah.
just get dirty.
Yeah,
That's it.
he just get dirty, él sube los carros y este la
50,000
matoca.
miles only. It won't come on.
Okay.
Necesita ayuda subiendo el carro.
Alright, I just rebuilt the engine.
He just rebuilt the engine. Now, this car can go for at least fucking a few stacks.
We're buying this for 6,000 to get in a great deal.
6,000 is a great deal.
No oil leaks. Well, I just touched it. It's never
No oil leaks at all.
never overheated at all.
Racing intake.
It's not on right now, but it's getting there.
The light, it's perfect. It's 3D.
Aftermarket corner light. This is supposed to blind cops.
It's 3D. This nigga's under there cleaning the oil leaks.
Aftermarket lightweight racing rim.
Racing rim right there. It's meant for the tracks.
It's our rims.
It's meant for the tracks. Yo, sit next to it so they can see how little it is. Damn, that shit's little as fuck. Sí que se hace. Go Pito. Yeah.
Fuck about this car.
Boom, nigga. Yo,
I would have a pleasure.
there goes the clean ass oil that just came out of it.
Oh my god.
That's the cleanest oil that came out of it.
When it first came in, it's supposedly it was clear.
Supposed to be clear but we don't know what's wrong. It's a racing car. That's all we gotta say.
That is some ass oil, I'm not gonna lie.
This is like YouTube, alright?
You too.
If your oil filter don't come out, you put this in the filter, you like this,
And then you
and then make
twist.
a hole, and then you turn it, and that
Yeah.
comes out like a mother.
There you go for the people on YouTube that need help.
If you want to know, just follow
coming
me
straight from the
on
Honda
Twitter.
mechanics.
Twitter, Civic 95.
Yeah,
Fucked up
nigga.
car.
Yeah. All right, we're attempting to.
Know how safety is by putting the jack on the grass.
Safety hazard right there.
First safety hazard.
The car could fall on his face and he doesn't even know it.
Pop the fucking eye.
He has oil.
Are you really gonna, nigga? It can get stuck there forever.
He has oil dripping all over his face right now.
That was some middle school stuff, alright?
I'm a pro, nigga. Huh? I'm a pro. Nigga, you got scared of that out of me, dog.
Check out the perfect motor mount.
Yes.
Here's another motor mount.
Okay, the screwdriver went through the oil pan now. It's in great condition.
All right, bitch, don't stop it. I'm gonna show them how we did this shit.
I won't stop. They need a full process, dog, to know it really worked. Full process.
Then when you come out of this bitch, you come out like this.
With the clean
Bloody ass
oil
head.
everywhere. That's
What's the hole in
exactly.
that big ass shit?
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
That's exactly how you do it.
That's good for your grass.
It grows your grass.
Dang, you
It's
put it like
good
this, you grow a
fertilizer.
big ass tree,
Oil did
a
come
filter.
from the
You
ground.
grow a big
didn't it?
tree, a filter. You get a filter every month.
Watch the fucking. Watch this nigga get a fucking big ass vine tomorrow.
Alright, people. Well, that's our YouTube videos of helping you guys.
Next week we got another car.
Free
Next
oil.
week we got another car and
$10 oil changes.
$10.
Again because we come out fucked up.
Yes, we will most likely have her come back next week. Alright, yo, YouTube, like our page and do your thing.
Hey,
Facebook too, get at me.
Follow me.
Follow. Time to
me on Twitter.